Okay, in this lesson, what I would like to do is calculate how much you paid in total and how much you paid in interest. So just to recap, if you haven't watched the other lesson, watch the other lesson. We use the payment function. And how the payment function works is to find out what your payment is going to be is you put the rate, which is your interest rate, and you typically will divide by 12 if you're paying monthly. If you pay once a year, you just put the rate in. If you paid every week, you'd put divided by 52. The term is going to be how many payments that you're going to make. So if we do it per month, we said 60 in our amount. And then the amount is, what is the principal? How much are we borrowing? So this was a spreadsheet we came up with. I want to calculate how much is the total paid. Well, fortunately, it's fairly easy. All we need to do is the total paid is going to equal our monthly payment. So we paid $368.44 every month. And we multiplied that by how many of those payments did we make? We multiplied by 60, and we paid a total of $22,106.52. So how much was the interest? How much did the bank or the lender get? In this case, to calculate that, what we're going to do is we're going to say what was the total amount paid, and we subtract that from how much we had to borrow. And so the interest was the amount extra that we paid. So we gave the lender $2,582.52 for the privilege of borrowing the money for the car over the 5 years. So that's how the lender makes money. But in this case, we didn't have the money to buy this Porsche, and this allowed us to buy the car today and use it for the 5 years. So it cost us for that privilege $2,582.52 to borrow the money. So again, we take how much our monthly payment was, we multiply it by the number of payments, and that's the total amount paid. And then to calculate the interest, we simply subtract the total paid from the principal. Don't forget, our monthly payment, we had to multiply by -1. You might find yours is negative because anytime you make a payment, that's going to be negative because you're paying back. So don't forget to put a -1 there if needed.